Good morning children, welcome back to maths class. In the last video, what we learned children? We learned about time and calendar, right? In time what we learned? We learned about minute, second, hour and how to represent time in standard form, right? After that in calendar what we learned? We learned about day, week, month, year, leap year and many days are there in a week and, how many days are there in a month. We also started the exercise part of time goes on, right? In the beginning of the exercise part, we filled the blanks, right? We listed out the activities done in minutes, hours, seconds and months, right? After that we found out the ages of girl's mother and girl's grandmother, right? Next we solved the one puzzle also. So I told you to have a look of your birth certificate. I hope you all had a glance of your birth certificate. Okay. Now, see birth certificate form number is 5. Government of Kerala. Which state is this? Kerala state birth certificate. Okay. So, is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth, which is in the register for the year 2002 of Kottayam Panchayat. See, which Panchayat is that? Kottayam Panchayat. Which year? 2002. Okay. Name Bincy Thomas Jacob. Sex female. Date of birth 2/5/2002. 2nd May 2002. Children, 5 means month. So, 5th month is which one children? That is May. Okay. Place of birth Kadampuza Hospital. Name of father Jacob Tarakan. Name of mother Lara Thomas. Date of registration 2/5/2002. Registration number 815/2. Date 5/8/2002. Signature of issuing authority. Okay. Children, in the top of the certificate they gave the form number and which government is that? That is Government of Kerala. Next birth certificate. Here they gave year in which year the baby was born. Okay. And that baby belongs to Kottayam Panchayat. Here they gave baby name, sex, gender, date of birth, date, month, year. In words also they gave place of birth. Place of birth, in which place or in which hospital that baby was born, that they gave you name of father, baby's father name and baby's mother name. Date of registration, that is nothing but on which date you apply for baby's birth certificate. Registration number, registration number will be given by the hospital. Date 5/8/2002. Children, this is nothing but on which day they issues the baby's birth certificate. Signature of issuing authority. Children, this is nothing but who issues the birth certificate, they'll sign here by the hospital faculties. 2/5/2002 shows that Bincy was born on 2 dash in the year 2002. Children, this is what? See here they gave 2 date they gave year also. What is missing here? Here month is missing, right? So 5th month. Okay. Next, how old will Binsi be on 2nd May 2008? Here what you have to do, which is the big number, 2008 or 2002 children? 2008, right? So 2008 minus 2002. Here also we have 2000, here also we have 2000. 2000 will get minus. Here which number is there? 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 will be how much children? 6, right? So on 2nd May 2018, Binsi will be 6 years old. Okay. How old will she be in the year of 2052? Children, you have to do like this only. Okay. I'll leave this to you. Do it and tell me. Okay. On what date will she be 8 years old? Writing numbers. Children, in which year she born? Children, here how many years they gave? 8 years, right? So you have to add 2002 plus 8. See, 8 plus 2 will become 10. 2010, right? See, 2/5/2010 on same date she'll become 8 years old. Okay. How many months old was Binsi on 2nd August 2002? Children, on which date she was born? So she was born on 2/5/2002, right? This date, month, year, right? So 5 means month. 5th month is which one, children? May, right? So on the same date of August, how many months old was Binsi? Okay. So children, from here to here how many months? 1. From 2 to here, from 2nd of May to 2nd of June is 1. And 2nd of June to 2nd of July is 2. From 2nd of July to 2nd of August is 3. Here to here 1 month. Here to here 1 month. Here to here 1 month. How many months old was Binsi? 2nd August 2002. That is 3 months. Okay. 3 months. Okay. Next one. How many years old is Binsi now? Which year is this? This is 2020. Right? Minus in which year she was born? She was born in 2002. 20 minus 2 will be how much, children? That is 18. Right? So 18 years old. Now Binsi is 18 years old. Okay. After how many months of her birth was the birth certificate issued? Now we'll check. Children, when Binsi was born, she was born on 2/5/2002, right? So date of registration is, register the date for birth certificate na, that will be given here. On which date they issue the birth certificate of baby, that will be given here. From 5 to 8, how many months, children? And we also count the days also. Minus 5 will be how much, children? 3, right? So 3 months, 3 days. Okay. I'll write here for your understanding purpose. 5 minus 2 will be equal to 3. 8 minus 5 will be equals to 3. Okay. What is the registration of a certificate? See registration number 815 bar 2. 815 bar 02. This is the registration number of Binsi birth certificate. Okay. Find out when were you born. Write your date of birth in numbers. Do you have a birth certificate? Ask your parents and make one for yourself. Children, take out your birth certificate and fill all information which are in birth certificate. Okay. Calendar 2018. Children, you all already know about the calendar, right? Days, months. In 1 month, how many days will come? In 1 week, how many days will come? Right? So, according to that, you have to fill these blanks from here to here. Fill in the blanks with the correct year. Which year was it? 2 years back. Now we are in 2020, right? So 2 years back means minus 2. 20 minus 2 will be how much, children? That is 2018. In which year were you in class 2nd? Children, on which year you are in class 2nd? That is 2019, right? In which year will be next year? Which year will be the next year after 2020? Which year will come? 2021. 2021. Okay. Which year will come after 3 years? See, 2 years back means what you have to do? You have to subtract. Okay. So after means what you have to do? You have to add. Do addition. Okay. 3 years. That is 2023. Remaining concept we'll see in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.